Hey guys, so there's one tonguing mistake on saxophone that I hear beginning players, but also quite often intermediate players do all the time. And it really makes you sound much less musical. The good news though is that it's pretty easy to fix. Let me show you. I will play you two versions of the same short phrase. One is, you could say, wrong, it just doesn't sound good, and the other one sounds much better. Let's see if you can tell yourself which one is the better one. 1, 2, 3. One, two, three. One, two, three. One, two, three. If you guessed that the better take is the second take, you're on the right track. The problem is at the end of the long note. A lot of players just cut off the long note with their tongue, just like that. And when I point this out to my students, they often don't believe me at first. Maybe you're also not convinced yet, so let me prove it to you. I will sing to you the phrase in the two versions and see which one sounds more natural to sing. 1, 2, 3. Do da da. 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 So, which one sounded more musical? Of course, the second one, right? It's really hard to imagine a singer singing like the first version. By the way, I often see that students are not really aware even that they cut longer notes off like this. So, for you, it might be a good idea to just record yourself and check if you do that or not. Or if you have a teacher, you can ask your teacher to listen for that specifically. If you know that you have a tendency to cut off the notes like this, it's actually pretty easy to fix that. A great way to practice not using the tongue at the end of the note is to ending every note with air in a way that you can really hear the air flow even though the sound of the note stopped already. Let me show you. So the goal is to let so much air still flow after the end of the note that you can really hear it. And of course, the end goal is not to play like this. This is just an exercise to get rid of the tongue at the end of the note. So this is what it would sound like if we practice the phrase from the beginning like that. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. And even though this is just a small change, it makes you right away sound much more musical. Okay guys, that's it for this video already. If you found this video helpful, let me know down in the comments. And if you want to support me, don't forget to leave me a like. This helps the algorithm understand that the video is interesting for people, and it will hopefully show it to more people that also use the tongue at the end of the note. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and see you next time. Oh, and of course, if you're not interested in articulation, meaning tonguing, make sure to check out this video next where I show 3 different levels of articulating in jazz.